Security in Chandigarh has been beefed up, seeing 15th of August, Independence Day, and also each and every vehicle, the mobility on the road, every suspicious vehicle is being monitored by the Chandigarh police, and on the main highways or the traffic mobility is being monitored by the Chandigarh traffic police and Chandigarh police as well. And also on the borders of Chandigarh, CRPF is being deployed with Chandigarh police. Border area of Chandigarh touching Mohali, Punjab and Haryana and Panchkula is being taken care by the CRPF and Chandigarh police. There are more than 20 police inspector of Chandigarh police, more than 8 Chandigarh police DSP, and also the special task for the SPs is being given, and also after regular interval official rounds are being carried out by the Chandigarh police. And you see that how the barricading is being placed in Chandigarh. This is Sector 17, and also here on 15th of August, a cultural event is being scheduled where chief guest would be Governor of Punjab, and also a parade will be held, and also cultural event will be scheduled from 9 a.m. in the morning, and also there will be march. There will be Chandigarh officials, bureaucracy and cultural program by the school and colleges here in Sector 17. And also you see at different roads, whether Madhya Marg, Dakshin Marg in Chandigarh the security is being beefed up, and also more than 1,000 police personnel are being deployed for 15th of August, and also several areas, whether it's college or universities, hostels, several markets in Chandigarh, PGs and remote areas from where there is any suspicious activity is that been monitored, and also police teams are on ground for maintaining security and law and order for 15th of August. With video journalist Girish Durgapal, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.